nth degree flowchart. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and in today's video you can literally see that we're drawing out this algorithm. So I thought this would be a great exercise. It's been a great exercise for me to think about, and I really wanted to share so you could visualize what we're going to be writing and how you need to approach it and the techniques that we're going to need to utilize in Python. So, all right, the nth prime number. What is that? So let's say a user wants to know the fifth prime number. So we need to go through some steps. So that's what we're taking in. What is the number that represents the nth prime number? So if somebody enters 1, we're going to hard code this and output 2, and we'll go into why. And then if they enter 1 for what is the first prime number, they get 2. And if by chance they enter 2, what is the second prime number? It's 3. And the third prime number is 5. So we'll kind of walk through this. So the reason why we need to hard code this example right here is 2 is the only even prime number. So we need to hard code this because every other prime number falls under this scenario. So we have 2 really distinct types of numbers which are prime. So all right, the first prime number, they enter that, we hard code, boom, output 2. So let's just say, so we can see our steps here, what would happen? What happens if they enter x as 2? So is prime less than x? Is 2 less than 2? Well, no. So it jumps over here and outputs num, which happens to be 3. Okay, so we have the first 2 prime numbers taken care of. The first prime number is 2, second prime number is 3. Now what happens if they enter 3? So x is equal to 3 now. So all right, so if we get here and it's prime less than x, so this is 3, our prime count is 2. Why, yes, prime is less. So we need to come down here. We need to increment by 2. Now our number is 5. Well, we need to check and see then if 5 is a prime number, which it happens to be. So then we're going to then increment our prime count up to 3. And then we come all the way back around here. We loop around. That's a little bit of foreshadowing. We loop around, and then we run this case again. Is prime less than x? So that was 3 and 3 and 5. So is prime less than x? Well, no. So then we shoot over here, and we then output num, which happens to be 5. So we have now written an algorithm. We've drawn out an algorithm that can find any position of a prime number. So the 5th prime, the 1000th prime, even the 10,000th prime number. This algorithm will do just that. So if you're just finding us today, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, give this video a thumbs up if you like this. I really appreciate it. You guys have been a supportive audience. If you're also new here, look down below. We do have a Discord server, a lot of supportive help there, growing community. I'm very, very proud of this community, and I appreciate everybody being here, all the feedback, all the support, all the great questions, all the great video requests. I just really, truly enjoy sharing, and I'm growing too. This has been a great exercise for me because it forced me to sit down and draw this out. I typically don't, and if I probably did this, I would have probably progressed as a programmer a lot faster, because then I would have been able to convert this over into Python a lot easier. But just want to say thank you so much. But as always, guys, thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.